it gets hot, it'll melt aluminum and it'll forge iron and steel. It's a little mini blacksmith gas-powered forge and a little mini Foundry metal melter. With the right crucible, I can melt brass and bronze also. But it'll definitely melt aluminum. There's no doubt about that. Propane and a hairdryer. Hairdryer's a blower. Propane's injected at that elbow, and then it's shot into this fire bricks box. I've got a vent right there, take fumes out if I need it. And boy, it's hot. I mean, it'll warm up this place in the winter. Well, good little test run. I'm going to shut it down now.